The elusive holy grail of trading, a strategy that consistently generates profit. But how do you even begin to find one? The answer lies in backtesting, a process that separates the wheat from the chaff and the profitable strategies from the losing ones. In this video, we'll dive into the world of backtesting and explore the free methods that every retail trader should know. Backtesting is the process of applying a trading strategy to historical data to evaluate its performance. This allows you to test the strategy's effectiveness, identify potential flaws, and refine it before risking real money. But why is backtesting so crucial? Well, imagine developing a trading strategy that's destined to fail and then losing your hard-earned capital on it. Backtesting helps you avoid this nightmare scenario by simulating the strategy's performance over time. So, what are the free methods to backtest a trading strategy? First, we have the built-in backtesting tools in popular trading platforms like MetaTrader